excited?
Yeah!
How are you feeling?
Excited.
What are you excited about?
English breakfast.
And what are you looking forward to?
Having fun.
So welcome to Wilderhope Manor and Farm in the Shropshire Hills, just off Wenlock Edge, and we're here on day one of a 2-day residential trip, and we've got a group of around about 25 children from a primary school right in the centre of Birmingham, right in the very urban location, and we've brought them out to this incredible countryside to give these children that have got very little access to nature hopefully a really amazing experience.
We've been pond dipping and we've been collecting animals inside the pools.
I catched the tadpole.
No, actually, yes, you did.
How many tadpoles did you get?
Squad,
2.
Saw lots of rocks, but a few of them have fossils on it.
Today we've taken this group of children from Year 4 in St Chad's School in Birmingham all the way up to the Lightspout waterfall, over the top and back down Motts Road.
Climbing.
Mountains. Climbing, and I love climbing.
I love climbing as well.
No, I'm very hot.
Hi.
Hey, right now.
The relationship between Starling Bank and the National Trust has really benefited us as a school. Currently, approximately 86% of our children are pupil premium, and that means that there is a high level of deprivation within our school. So being able to have a fully funded trip for our children to become away and spend that time together has been fantastic for the school, for the children, and for our parents.
This is the first time I've been to a workshop like this, and seeing the children from day one all the way through till the end of the 2-day period, it's been so amazing to see their confidence grow, how they've engaged with nature and got more and more comfortable with the space has been so lovely. Here it's been so special because we've had a residential stay for the first time. We've trialled it out, so all of that has been funded thanks to partnership work with Starling, and we're so grateful for all their support.